Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Alex, are you okay? You look very pale.
I have a terrible pain in my stomach.
When did it start?
About an hour ago. It's getting worse.
Did you eat something strange?
No, just the usual breakfast.
Sit down. I'll get you some water.
Thanks, but I think I need a doctor.
Okay, let's go to the hospital. Hello? We need a car immediately.
Is it going to take long?
The driver says 5 minutes.
It hurts a lot when I breathe.
Stay calm, Alex. Lean on me.
Do you have your phone and keys?
Yes, I have everything. Don't worry.
I'm sorry to ruin our Thursday.
Your health is more important than our plans.
Look at all these people waiting.
It's a very busy morning here.
Should I talk to the nurse?
No, sit here. I'll go to the desk.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, my husband has severe stomach pain.
Please fill out these forms.
Can he see a doctor now?
The doctor will see him in 10 minutes.
What is your middle name again?
It's James. My head is spinning.
Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No, I don't think so.
What about your insurance number?
It's on the card in my wallet.
Got it. Almost finished.
Thank you for doing this, Sarah.
That's what I'm here for.
Excuse me, dear?
Yes? How can I help you?
I can't read this sign. Where is the pharmacy?
It's down the hall, on the left.
Oh, my legs are very weak today.
Alex, wait here. I'll walk with her.
Go ahead. I'll be fine for a minute.
You are such a kind young woman.
It's no problem at all.
Hello, Alex. I'm Dr. Brown.
Hello, doctor. My stomach hurts here.
Let me take a look. Does this hurt?
Yes, very much.
How is your temperature?
It was a bit high this morning.
I need to run some blood tests.
Is it something serious, doctor?
We don't know yet. Stay positive.
I hate hospitals. The smell is strange.
It's the smell of cleaning products.
I'm a bit scared about the results.
Don't be. Dr. Brown looks very professional.
I'm thirsty. Can I drink some water?
The nurse said no food or water yet.
I'm so bored and tired.
Do you want me to read you a story?
No, just hold my hand.
Okay, Alex. Just a small pinch.
I don't like needles.
Look at me, Alex. Don't look at the needle.
And we are finished. That was fast.
Is that all? I didn't feel much.
See? You are very brave.
I'll have the results in 30 minutes.
Thank you, nurse.
You did great, honey. I feel bad eating in front of you.
It's okay. You need your energy.
I just have a small apple.
Does it smell good?
It's very crunchy. Want to smell it?
No, that makes it worse.
Sorry, I'll finish it quickly.
I can't wait to have a real dinner.
Good news, Alex. It's not serious.
Thank goodness.
You have a small stomach infection.
Does he need surgery?
No, just some medicine and rest.
Can I go home today?
Yes, but you must stay in bed.
I will make sure he stays in bed.
I'll write the prescription now.
Here is the medicine for Alex.
How often should he take it?
Twice a day after meals.
Are there any side effects?
He might feel a little sleepy.
That's fine. He needs sleep.
And make sure he drinks lots of tea.
I can do that.
Thank you very much.
That will be $50 with your insurance.
Here is my card.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please. For our records.
Hospitals are expensive, aren't they?
It's okay, Alex. Health is first.
Here is your card and the receipt.
Have a nice day.
You too. Get well soon, Alex.
Look, Alex, a small teddy bear on the floor.
Someone must be very sad without it.
There is a little boy crying over there.
Go and ask him if it's his.
Is this your bear, little one?
Teddy? Yes. Thank you.
See? Now he is happy again.
You are like a superhero today, Sarah.
I'm just happy to help.
I feel much better already.
That's the medicine working.
The sun is so bright outside.
Let's get a taxi again.
No, let's walk slowly. I need fresh air.
Are you sure? The doctor said rest.
Just to the corner, then a taxi.
Okay, but lean on me if you feel weak.
You are the best wife in the world.
Okay, straight to the sofa.
Can I have my pillow?
Yes, and a warm blanket, too.
I'm starting to feel sleepy.
That's the medicine. Close your eyes.
Wait, did you lock the door?
Yes, Alex. Everything is safe.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Go to sleep now. I'm making chicken soup.
It smells delicious.
It's the best thing for an infection.
Can I have a small bowl now?
Let it boil for 10 more minutes.
I'm so hungry I could eat a horse.
That's a good sign.
You are a great cook, Sarah.
It's just a simple soup, Alex. Hi, Mom. Yes, we are home.
Is that my mother?
Yes, she is worried about you.
Tell her I'm fine now.
He's eating soup and resting, Mom.
Give me the phone for a second. Hi, Mom. Don't worry. Sarah is a great nurse.
See? He's in good hands.
Love you too, Mom. Bye.
Do you want to watch the news?
No, let's watch something funny.
A cartoon?
Why not? It's relaxing.
Here is your tea. Be careful, it's hot.
It tastes like lemon and honey.
It's good for your stomach.
I feel very lucky today.
Why is that?
Because I have you.
It's time for your second pill.
Do I have to? I feel fine now.
Yes, the doctor said you must finish it.
Okay.
Good boy. Now more water.
I think I drank a gallon of water today.
Water is good for your skin, too.
You always find a positive side.
That's my job.
I think I'm ready for bed.
Can you walk to the bedroom?
Yes, I feel much stronger now.
Tomorrow will be a better day.
I hope so. No more hospitals.
Agreed. No more surprises.
Good night, Sarah. Thank you for everything.
Good night, Alex. Sleep well.
I love you.
I love you too.